Do you know about Khaby? Khaby is the #1 TikToker in the world. Khaby earns $4 million through TikTok each year. But how? Yes, we will know how can you earn money from TikTok. So watch the video till the end. Before starting today's video, we would like to inform you that if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please like the video and subscribe our channel. So let's know how to make money from TikTok. TikTok Creator Fund. TikTok makes its money by selling advertisements. It charges people for ads that appear within videos that are posted to the platform. People can make money from those ads. The company will spend the money that it earns to buy more ads, which will allow them to make more money. This process is called monetization. In this case, TikTok will use a special fund to reward people who make videos that they consider to be valuable. This gives users the opportunity to earn money without doing anything. The money that the company generates will be used to encourage them to make more videos. Direct links. Similar to Instagram, TikTok allows you to insert your website or product links directly into your profile. The feature was introduced in February 2020 and now makes tracking campaigns much easier as traffic can be traced back to TikTok. These direct links make it convenient and easy for users to click straight through and engage with your brand. TikTok Creator Marketplace. This new feature can help content creators to connect with the right people in their audience. In addition, it can help content creators to share their content to a wider group of people. For example, if you want to share a specific piece of content to a certain audience, you can use the Content Filters feature to find the right audience. After that, you can contact them directly with the help of the direct messaging feature. This way, you can help them to share your content. Coins and gifts. TikTok's live streaming option GoLive helps influencers and content creators engage with users and monetize their accounts. You need at least 1,000 followers to unlock this feature. During live broadcasts, followers can thank or reward content creators with coins and images which they purchase and store in the app's virtual wallet. It's basically a way for audiences to directly show their appreciation for the hard work that goes into content creation. Once an influencer has collected enough coins, they can trade them in for actual currency from TikTok. TikTok Shopping. If you want to run a TikTok marketing campaign, you can do it right from the Shopify dashboard. It only takes 5 minutes to set up. Once you have started the campaign, you will see how many people are viewing your video or listening to your audio track. You can also see where your visitors come from, where they go to and what actions they take. So, today we know how can you earn money from TikTok. Hope you understand all the points. If any doubts, please comment below. If you think this video is informative, then please press the like button. Let us know in the comments which topic you want to watch next. For next video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell button. Thank you.